Guys, there are those times when you wish your photos could come to life with dialogue and emotion. Well, CapCut just made that possible with their new AI dialogue scene feature. I'm Daniel, welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to take any photo or character, type in some dialogue, pick a voice, and instantly generate a full cinematic scene. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to make professional-looking animated scenes without any complicated editing. Stick around, because this is a feature that's going to change the way you make videos. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Okay guys, let's check out CapCut's new feature called AI Dialogue Scene. I'll take a photo, and the tool will recognize the characters in it. Then I'll type in some dialogue, pick a voice and speed, and hit generate. I'll confirm the credit use, wait a bit, and the scene gets generated. Once it's ready, I'll review the result.
Wait, you're telling me I can make any photo talk with just one click? This is literally magic. I'm about to become the meme king of TikTok.
For the next scene, folks, I'll pick another character, choose a voice,
Let me play among the stars,
and generate again. The AI processes it, and after waiting, I get another scene ready to play and export.
Fly me to the moon. Let me play among the stars.
I'll also try it with an anime character. The app detects it, I paste in the script, adjust the length and voice,
The power of friendship will always overcome any darkness.
and hit generate. After processing, I get another voiced clip.
The power of friendship will always overcome any darkness. I won't let you hurt my friends.
And that's how you can easily create videos with the AI dialogue scene feature in CapCut, guys. Next, I'll use the app to make a reaction video. I pick this character, a cinematic medium shot of a man in his 30s with a shocked expression. His eyebrows are raised high, his mouth is open in disbelief. That's the look, and here's the script I give him to voice. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now I need to pick a voice that matches. There are tons of options here, including trending and brand new ones. For this scene, folks, I'll go with a surprised male voice.
Did you really just put pineapple on pizza?
I hit generate and wait a bit. Here's the result, guys.
Did you really just put pineapple on pizza? That's not pizza anymore. That's a crime against humanity.
And honestly, it came out super emotional. The reaction feels real, cinematic, and photorealistic. It's exactly the kind of expressive reaction video I was aiming for, and I can work with it further if needed. You can also use AI dialogue scene to make more mystical videos. I set the video length to 8 seconds and paste in his prediction script. Next, I browse the voice options, guys. There are lots of categories to choose from, but I need something mysterious that matches the character. I pick a deep male voice, let's say Harry.
The stars have aligned, and your destiny is clear. This week, unexpected opportunities will knock on your door, but beware of...
And hit generate.
The stars have aligned, and your destiny is clear. This week, unexpected opportunities will knock on your door, but beware of Mercury retrograde.
And that's how easy it is to create both emotional reactions and mystical cinematic clips with AI dialogue scene. Alright guys, that's a full look at CapCut's AI dialogue scene. You can take any photo or character, add dialogue, pick a voice, and instantly create cinematic, photorealistic scenes, whether it's a reaction video, an anime clip, or a mystical, mysterious scene. No complicated editing, no hours of work, just type and generate. If you want to try it for yourself, I've left the links in the description. Go ahead and see what kind of scenes you can create. I'd love to hear from you too. What character or scene would you create first? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.